Welcome to the channel. Today we're exploring amazing wood carving art ideas for modern home decoration, with a special focus on stunning wall panels that can completely transform a space. If you love the warmth of natural wood combined with contemporary design, you're going to find real inspiration here. Wood carving is not just a traditional craft, it's a powerful design statement that brings texture, depth, and personality into modern interiors. So take a moment, relax, and let's discover how carved wood wall panels can turn ordinary walls into extraordinary works of art. When we talk about amazing wood carving art ideas for modern home decoration, especially wall panels, we are stepping into a world where tradition meets contemporary design, where hand tools and imagination transform solid timber into architectural statements that completely redefine a living space. And after spending more than 2 decades working with wood, studying grain patterns, mastering chisels, and understanding how light plays across carved surfaces, I can tell you that nothing brings warmth and sophistication to a modern interior quite like a thoughtfully designed carved wood wall panel. Because unlike flat paint or printed decor, carved wood carries depth, texture, shadow, and soul. And in today's video, we are not just looking at decoration. We are exploring how wood carving art can elevate ordinary walls into focal points that express personality, craftsmanship, and timeless beauty. And the first thing to understand about modern wood carved wall panels is that modern does not mean minimal effort. It means intentional design, clean composition,